Most people can't do business, so how do they make money? You see, let's be honest, not everybody can do business. Not everybody can, look for customers or stress themselves or even do things that are uncertainty. It is important to understand the kind of person you are when you are trying to make money. So how do you make money if you can't do business? Let's look into this. Number one is to get high income skills. What kind of skills can you turn into cash? What kind of skills do you have or can you learn to make money from? Examples: graphic design, video editing, data analysis, teach support, and copywriting. You can earn locally or even internationally. Your skills become your money machine. Number two, get a stable income or job, but be strategic about it. You don't just have to work. Increase your value, take professional courses, position yourself for promotion, negotiate your salary. At the end of the day, you realize that with this little strategy, you can start building wealth. So it's not just important to start building this wealth, but what do you do with this money? That is where we go to number three. Number three is invest your money. If you can't run a business, let your money work for you. And this is the gimmicks here. A lot of people don't really understand that not everyone is wired to run a business, but you can think of how to invest your money, either partner with other people or invest your money in things that can work for you while you sleep. Now, such as money market fund, stocks, mutual funds, treasury bills. Just start small, even if your salary is 30,000 naira. Number four, create multiple streams of income without any business stress. Examples is you rent a property. Let's say you were opportune to have a property to your name, or your family gave you a property, or your parents. You can easily get money from this. You can do freelance on weekends. You can monetize your social media. You can create digital products and sell, such as ebooks that you see people sell. As small as 5,000 naira, 10,000, 2,000 can really go a long way. Number five, increase financial discipline. You don't just have to make money, but where do you put this money? You need to budget and save consistently. You need to avoid lifestyle inflation. Invest before you spend money. It's important. Money is not just only for entrepreneurs, and money flow in. People have to invest that money, get value, be disciplined, and be consistent. Money is not just for entrepreneurs. Money flow. People with value get money. People with discipline and they are consistent get money. You don't need to be a CEO. You just need to be intentional. Comment "I am ready" for my one-on-one section if you want someone to support you in this journey. Thank you.